Hi guys, postman's been. So we have a post bag. Description of contents, other educational. I think I know what this is. Feels a bit like a sort of tube in there. I think it might be a Tesla coil kit. One of those cheap Chinese kits. I might be completely wrong. It wouldn't be the first time. Nothing else in there. Oh yes, there we are. I think they call it a Tesla coil speaker or something, because you can plug your audio into it and listen to it play your music. There's loads of videos on YouTube on this subject, so I've created a playlist with lots of links to other people's videos. I just bought it because people keep asking me to make one, and I've kept an eye on eBay, and this one was only £3.48, which seems to be the cheapest I've seen them. You can make them yourself quite easily. Just one transistor, piece of plastic, some wire, battery, a resistor, and that's it. So in that playlist there'll be a few videos on that subject as well. But this one comes with heat sinks for the MOSFETs and that sort of thing. Not a great deal to it. BD243 P75NF75, so that's your two transistors, power transistors. Resistor there, LED, another LED, capacitor there. That's where the tube stands. They've already wound it for you, so you haven't even got to do that. Sits on there. That's your winding. Just goes round there once. That's the BD243C. That's the 75N75, a couple of LEDs, audio in, power in, a few resistors, and capacitor, and that's it. It shouldn't take very long to put together. The only thing I can't remember is what voltage it needs. I have to look up, have a look at the link. In the video description I'll put the description of the kit, but I don't put the eBay link anymore. I used to put the eBay links, and then people would be asking me 2 or 3 years later, and because the eBay link would have expired by then. So I put the description in, and then you can cut and paste the description, post it into your favourite online supplier, and it should come up with a similar kit. Oh, I've just shown you that. You'll be able to get 40% off if you put that code in, according to that. Right, well that's the post. So maybe I'll better put it together.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.